a few things to sort of send you off as you begin your new life together. Our gospel reading says that if we actually love God, we will have to remain in our love of God. And how do we do that? If we keep His commandments, we will remain in His love. There are levels of loving, as we know, and there's this level of loving that we love each other, that we love our neighbor. But what you are going to vow to today is a special kind of loving, another level of loving, a special calling of loving. So that in a very special way, you will have to keep your you will have to keep the commandments of God by remaining in love with each other. Now, if you remember, PJ, you said that when I asked you, how do you know she's the one? You said, you just know it is her. Angel, when I also asked you, how do you know he's the one? You said, feel ko he's the one. Na talagang, another word of saying it, hindi pala, feel ko he's the one na talaga. Yun. And you also said that he is some sort of an answered prayer. And I think even as you immerse yourself into this loving, as you begin your new life together, there's a flip side to the answers that you gave. PJ, down the line, your knowing will have to be articulated on an everyday basis. How do you love her? You know you love her, but sabi nga nila, what you know, if you can say it, if you cannot articulate it, it amounts to nothing. So as you live together, you'll have to learn to articulate that in your words and in your actions. Diba my question na, how do I love thee? Let me count the ways. Yun. Down the line. And hopefully, the list will grow longer as you stay longer together. Angel, when you said he's an answered prayer, what I usually tell people when they say, when people pray for something is that, be careful what you pray for. You just might get it. The reason I say that, and the whole logic behind it is that sometimes when we pray for something or when we pine for something, we get focused on this special aspect. Maybe you're focused on the quality of PJ as very loving, as very attentive, as very understanding. But to understand that PJ is one entire package. And the same thing with the life that you are entering. It's not just one aspect of falling in love, of living together. It's one entire package. And there are parts of that package, there are aspects of this life that you still have not found out. And down the line, even if people will tell you this is going to happen, that's going to happen, it's not going to make sense. Because you'll have to be able to live it out. It will have to be something that is born out of your experience, that you can actually say, ito nga pala yun. What's our anchor for this? How do you prepare yourself for this? We go back to what you said, Angel, that down the line, when things are not as you want them to be, balikan natin yung sinabi mo. When we were not at our best, we stayed. When we were not at our best, we stayed. So whatever happens, the prayer is that, of course, this is going to be a joyful wedding. This is going to be a blessed wedding. Everything will be chocolates and roses. Pero huwag siguro chocolates kayo kasi baka magka-diabetes kayo niya. If things are going to be happy and joyful, then thank the Lord for that. But then, when things go south, when things are not, as I mentioned, as you want them to be, and especially when it brings out that part of you which is not your best, do stay. I'd like to end this with a line from a movie from Netflix. It was the king's request to his bride, his French bride, an English king's request to his French bride. And he said, I ask nothing of you but this, that you will always be faithful and true. Always.